Today we go to learn HTML. First thing where I want you to know now say HTML, a very sweet language to learn. HTML simple die, but as it takes simple reach, now he also dey important reach. With that HTML, all of these websites where you they see around, you know if you work. The full meaning of HTML that hypertext markup language. Before we will do now say we will create the folder where we won't build our website in. Me, I go call them lesson website. Inside our lesson website folder, we go on start to create the file is really go use for our website. The first file we will go create la index.html file. Now this index.html file, now in the browser will they look for to launch your website. The first thing when you go do, like say you go open the HTML element. Now like this with the door. Anything when you see we get angle bracket like this, my element with a column for HTML. Inside this HTML element, now he on of our other elements could be. The first one now opening tag, while the second one now closing tag. Now inside this HTML element, now two things will they always put. The first thing my head element. This head, now we would store data about our website. After the head element, the second one will we get now the body element. Now inside this body element, all of our main code for the website where people will see go there. For now, we will just open this body element, lever. Inside this head element, now we go open another element where we they call the title element. Now here we go enter the title of our website. Now inside our body element, we go add two new elements. The first one now H1. This H1 stand for heading 1. It means say now the biggest size of heading will we get for HTML be that. Again, so write your tags and element. You go open angle bracket, write H1, then close up. Then you go write another H1, but this time you go add / before. Now how would they do opening and closing tag for HTML be that. The second element we go open for our body element, now the P element. This P element now, paragraph is stand for. You don't need to say they write normal text as normal paragraph for your website. Again, you go write down the same way we will write the opening and closing tags for our other elements. Now our website don't be ready for us to see for inside our browser.